Hey guys, it's Ernesto and welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So today I'm going to walk you through this photo shoot and show you how I got this final image. So first thing, let's start out with the gear. In terms of the gear, I utilize two Godox FV150 lights. Now, one light was positioned directly behind the backdrop, as you can see in this video, and that had a blue gel with a 7-inch reflector. The purpose of that light was just to basically add some atmosphere in the background. The next light was positioned camera left, and that was our main FV150 Godox light, and that light had a green gel with a 7-inch reflector, and that was hitting the subject's face. Now that light also had a grid on there, a 10-degree grid, to help focus and narrow the light specifically on the subject's face so it doesn't spill anywhere else. Next, we had three Suit Photo TP25 RGB lights. Two of those lights were the same color temperature, and those lights were positioned camera right and camera left of the subject, as you can see in this video. Now, the last light was positioned directly in front of the subject, and that light was blue, color temperature blue, and the purpose of that light was just basically to add a little bit of color below the subject, because the bottom part of the subject was in shadow, so that blue light was just to add or fill in the shadow with that blue color. The final light that you will see in this video, which I utilize on the second setup, but I didn't really like the second setup that much, not the lighting, but I didn't like the outfits. I didn't really use too much of those images, but you will see it. So the last light that I utilize in here is the Link Star light. Now that's the light that you're seeing in this video. Now that light was serving two purposes. The first purpose on the first setup, it was blocking the background light from hitting my lens so that I don't have a washed out image. So it was basically flagging that backlight, which was great. The other purpose of that light was also to replace the background light with this light so that we have a different color temperature. So on this one, we went with a warmer color temperature on this background light. So those were the lights that were utilized in this setup. In terms of the camera, what I utilized was the Canon EOS R5 with the EF24-70 2.8 lens with the Canon adapter. Now, the final piece of gear that I used was the fog machine. And the fog machine was adding nice texture in the air. And I mentioned earlier that that background light was also important in the sense that it was helping to enhance that texture in the air. The thing with utilizing fog is that you have to backlight the fog in order for the fog to show up in your scene. So that was the purpose of that backlight. So it was serving two purposes. One to give the subject a little bit of color on her shoulder, and our head, and also to add that texture in the air.
I wrote a song when I had nothing to say, like this one. Follow the river to the edge of the sea. I kissed the water and it made me complete, like this one. We experience death in life. We try to fly, we never let go.
thank you for tuning into this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please put some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Share this video with your friends and family. And guys, if you got this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, well, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.